Thinking of all the pieces. So it's like our ally to the arts through dance. More or less, roughly.
Just to follow up on that one, is there a major difference in creating this year's pieces for the performances?
Major difference
From previous presentation, because for sure everything is for the arts, but for this year, are there anything you would like to communicate to the community?
Don't answer that. Yes, we're very proud of the fact that this company not only has incredibly talented dancers who have the ability to dance the whole range. So this program is designed to show them off, link us to points. You have a new classic that you learn from this Night Dream, and then you have bands very explosive with these. That's one point. What you saw today with a jazz to the floor, they tried it on ballet shoes, it was too slippery. They tried it on socks and satin, too slippery. Biglang kapak. But it's on point. It's incredibly different. And remember, it's done, all of the pieces are done for CCP's main theater. Many of them with steps. So to transpose it here, the word is teaser. We're teasing you with little tidbits of what the production really is. So, and then the company has the repertoire. Pieces from the 70s, two pieces from the 70s, one from 84, Muybridge. You can see the piece of the design is designed for 7 men, as a pair of the men. Then the new pieces. So it's really, we're boasting, we're wanting to share the range that Filipinos can perform and do. And we say, we had a Russian television star coming to interview us. We showed her the dances at open rehearsal. She was amazing. And so we're hoping that this will again bring out the company to the shot in Russia, but also all over Europe. And this, we have not been to Russia for a long time, we've been to Europe for a long time, COVID and so on. So I hope that answers the question. Yes. Would you also ask something about it?
Yeah, this is, I think, Muybridge is very important, very functional. It's a landmark thing because Denisa, who is quite adventurous and daring in her photos. Muybridge is Edward Muybridge, who was a photographer who used to take pictures, stills of horses. Okay? And he eventually strung them together, and by stringing them together, made the new form of photography, which was animation. Because you would, if you see the dance, it's like, let's say, the horses galloping this way, but instead of horses, they're guys. So it's about action, and he was shooting them by frame. So when we put it together, it was like what we know now as animation. So that is very, very historic, I think, because Muybridge, among the conceptual artists, that he was really like, wow, this guy, and to think he invented that was making something, and it came only into awareness around the 80s. So a whole century later or something. So that I think is something that is also very unusual about our repertoire, because we just don't stick to the nice, graceful moves of ballet, but we have horse moves.
Horse moves.
Thank you.